Morning, guys. It's Calvin from the Catching Company in New Zealand. So, one of my first jobs for the morning was going through my messages and catching up. We've just had a long weekend, and so I try not to do too many messages over the weekend. But I got this video from a mate of mine. He happens to be married to my assistant and my office lady, who does a fantastic job. And clearly his weekend didn't go to plan because he's here sending me a video of him playing with his shaft first thing in the morning.
Is there bushes in this to stop that? Seems to be a heck of a lot of play.
We don't.
Is there bushes?
We were seen it once. We've seen it. And he has requested that my assistant bring home some bush. Probably not really appropriate again. So I'm probably have to click the adult content because of his comments. Anyway, he's playing with I think it's actually a KZN 130 surf. Might be an LN 130. I'm going to go with LN for my listings. And I'm a big believer of teach a man to fish, and he'll spend all day sitting on the pier drinking beer. No, but he can get his own fish. The analogy goes that if you can find your own stuff and sort it out for yourself, you're better off than just being spoon-fed. And Brendan knows better. But I'll help him out because he's a mate. Right, let's go to the appropriate website, which is going to be this website here. And I am signed in, so it does have the pictures. This website, you need an invite to get pictures. And I'm happy to help out there. I've got people all around the world who have still got invites available. I'm getting a bit low. So I'm going to click all these. I don't have the part number for a surf. Okay, let's go for vehicle identification. Let's go for a Japanese 93. And we're going to go for a Hilux. And there's an LN 130. And I want an automatic transmission. And I want a 4-chain. And that should give me something that's going to be close. And I'm going to just choose one of those. And I'm going to go scroll down to powertrain chassis. And I'm hoping it's going to be the first one. There it is there. Look at that. And we get go away ads. I don't want to look. Okay, here's a picture of the shifter, the bezels. And now, of course, I see this question for LS400s, and the same process applies. And SC400s, same process. And look at this. Here's your lever coming down. And there's a shaft going through. And there is a bush right there. Look at that. And see, it lights up both of them. So there's the bush for that control linkage. So they are worth changing. I don't keep them in stock, so Brendan's going to be shit out of luck getting them today. But we can put them in the next order, and there's a little bit of other things to do on the truck as well. Or he can make some. They're a nylon type bush. They do wear out quite a lot, and I think it's often worth grabbing one of those as well. I probably actually have something that's close. And then you'll see there's the shift linkage here. Comes back and there's another bush here. I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. Unfortunately, I'm under this add thing here, which is a pain in my backside. And I can't get down there, but there's this grommet. It's saying it's a bush, but this is a grommet and this is a bush. These are the Jesus clips that we always lose. But those are the bits that Brendan is going to need, those ones there. So I'll actually get his wife to order those, to put in the next order, and then she can take them home when they arrive. And then it's not my problem. Right, Brendan, I hope that's been helpful. My video is longer than yours. And we'll get those bits ordered for you. And I hope it helps every other person in finding these part numbers for themselves. So again, I think we should ask, how do I find part numbers more than what is the part number? Because all this is available to everyone free of charge to find their own part numbers and you'll learn a lot more about the cars and the way it goes together, and you'll see that you can go through and click on other parts and learn what the stuff is in that car to make everything a lot better. Right, I hope that's helpful. Talk to you soon. Catch you later.